Feed-to-length applications are a type of application where product needs to be moved a set amount for processing repeatedly. Machines like vertical form fill and seal machines, sleevers, web processing, and labelers all make use of this functionality. This video will show the many ways Delta can solve this application style using the A2 servo drives. Some of the primary challenges of feed-to-length applications include high throughput, maintaining high accuracy, and maintaining flexibility to be able to change cut lengths on the fly. Delta solves this with the A2 servo drive by having built-in motion control with a high-performance drive. High throughput is maintained due to a 1 kHz bandwidth and 1 millisecond settling time of the drive, while accuracy is achieved with a 20-bit encoder and 5 microsecond position latch input. Finally, built-in motion on the drive and software wizards allow for complete flexibility in controlling machine speed and feed lengths. There are many vendors and solutions to choose from, but Delta is able to provide unique solutions with pre-canned features that you cannot find anywhere else. These include the ability to perform ECAM manipulation and download from an HMI directly to the servo drive without the need for a PC or a PLC in the system. Another unique feature is the ability to program both the HMI and the servo drive with a single off-the-shelf cable. We're going to briefly map out 4 different solutions to a feed-to-length application, which are titled Feed to Incremental Position, Feed to a Registration Mark, ECAM Move via External Pulse, or ECAM Move via Internal Master. The first and simplest is to do an incremental move, or move a preset distance every cycle. This method solves the application with the A2 drive and its built-in program register, or PR mode. Delta's PR mode goes beyond traditional indexing drive functionality by providing multiple triggering methods, advanced functions like program jumps and parameter modification, and flexible motion profiling between points. Delta's software wizards make setup easy, and flexibility can be maintained using an HMI or PLC to control external timing or change delay times. The next method uses a registration mark on the capture input of the drive to index to a position past that registration point. This method is similar to the first solution, but includes use of the capture input and its ability to trigger a PR move upon capture. This method has built-in corrections for missed marks, as well as masking functionality for incorrect mark reading. The final 2 feed-to-length solutions both employ the use of the built-in ECAM features of the drive. Using an ECAM to create the feed profile allows for the ability to create very smooth profiles that don't employ simple S-curve profiling. This can allow for very smooth current draw, lowering the overall RMS current of the system and creating more efficiency. This can also reduce the jerk in the system, which can damage material. The first of these 2 solutions can use an ECAM profile that is controlled by an external pulse that is fed into the 1.5 axis port of the A2 servo drive. This pulse can either be an external encoder reference, or it can be a pulse from a PLC or motion controller. The fourth solution allows for the ECAM move to be controlled via the built-in internal virtual master of the drive. This virtual master can be an internal timer or a PR move. In closing, we have shown how feed-to-length applications can be solved a variety of ways using only an HMI with ECAM editing functionality, A2 servo drive with built-in motion, and software wizards, all of which are designed and manufactured by Delta products, providing you with one manufacturer, one source, and one support. For any questions, please contact Delta's Industrial Automation Hotline or talk to your local Delta Products distributor.